Porsche followers, Derp Ponzani, Harper Porsche, hope you're all doing well. I don't know if you can hear this thing rumbling behind me, but it sounds awesome. This is the new 2024 Cayenne S with the 4-liter V8. Let's check it out. So, quick drive, just going around the block here. This is one of my customers, good customer, awesome customer. Thank you, by the way, for your purchase. We appreciate it. There is definitely a waiting list for Cayennes. Most places, there are some bigger cities that may have some availability, so if you can get your hands on one, grab it. I just looked at the pre-owned market as of this video, and there was 3 used ones available in the entire USA. So they're popular, but they're not building a lot of them. This is kind of like buying last year's GTS without the GTS treatment out of the gate, right? So it's not gonna have a sport design kit on it, but you can add one. It's not gonna have a sport exhaust out of the gate, but you can add one. That's what this one has. So you get a lot more burbling and crackling and all that wonderful noise you just heard in my video clip there. It sounds great. So at idle, just take a quick listen. It's pretty cool. It's quiet, smooth, refined. Feel free to pause this here. Sport design package, adaptive air suspension, and this is as of 2024, a 139 build. This has got a lot of stuff on it. Massaging seats. We got a full leather in here. But a couple of things I want to show you. We did do sport chrono, exclusive design taillights. I'm going to point those out. Power sunblinds in the rear, and the Neodyme Trim, which I'm going to show you here. Let's check it out. So I don't have a lot of time in this one. I'm going to walk around it real quick because this gentleman's picking up. So let's walk around it. We did some cool treatment on this one that if you're entertaining it, you might like it, might not. Let's see. So this is Neodyme with eucalyptus. I actually really love this. I think it's so cool looking. What a unique spec for sure. You can see it on the door over there. It's also on the trim here, like around the cup holders. You'll notice you can also do that in silver. There's an option to do that. That's the sport wheel. Very cool. So obviously what matches this best are Neodyme wheels. This is Neodyme on Algarve blue. I've had a couple videos on Algarve blue. So this is our dark blue. This has the blacked out HD headlights. You can always tell because there's 4 points in there. Sorry for my reflection. There's some shine on this guy today. We just got it cleaned up real good. Ready for the new owner. So you'll also notice this is that special taillight. You notice there's no red in there, right? So that's the exclusive taillight. Obviously it still lights up red. We did the black badging. We did the bronze sport tailpipes, which you can see are still black inside, but they have like a bronze look on the outside. It's a really cool look. I think that goes great with this theme here. Did, of course, black around the windows and the black roof rails. And then the sport design kits, there's a few different ones. You'll see there's like a carbon one. There's a front one. There's a whole bunch of ones when you go to the exterior options. And this one, I showed you the window sticker there. So you can take a look at that. It's good looking. But you notice it's painted and the bumper is a little bit more aggressive, and you can see the air flaps in there. And the gloss around here looks so good. That's your sensor for adaptive cruise, and you've got your surround view camera, front cam there. But yes, the Cayenne S is popular. About 475 horsepower, and that's about what you got in last year's GTS, the 2023. I've got a video on that, so you can watch that. That was my exit video for the GTS. It's in my Cayenne playlist if you're looking for it. And then you see the black trim back here too. So yes, the V8 is awesome. If you can get your hands on one, great. Don't be surprised if you got some deals with a little markup on them. We're paying a premium if there is a used one out there. We've had some customers that have bought them and either traded them because, you know, they made a little money on them, which is in this market rare, I know, but there's just availability is the challenge on the V8s nowadays. They're just not building as many of these. So 2024 and up, this is the V8 Cayenne S. By the way, you would also normally have red brake calipers. You can option them to black, which obviously looks better with this wheel or this color combo, right? So thank you guys for watching. Just wanted to point out some of those exclusive options. I'll keep the content coming. Thank you for all the views, all the comments. Let me know what you guys think of this combo. Throw it in the comments below. Dirk Bonzani here at Harper Porsche. Thanks again for watching.